Hi, let me show you how to reset all settings on iPhone 16e. For that, we are going to start with opening Settings. And in Settings, you need to find General tab and then scroll all the way down to select this option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, by clicking Reset, you will see this list of possibilities. And from the list, you need to choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, just your settings. So to confirm it, enter passcode. And as you can see, it will also remove your Apple Pay cards, keys, and passes. But no data or media will be deleted. So if you want to do this, tap this red option and then confirm by tapping it again. Now you need to wait a few seconds and you'll see that your phone is restarting now. So don't worry, it will turn back on just in a few moments. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.